On an ordinary night, Alex settled into his comfortable armchair, ready to unwind with a book. The quiet ambience was shattered by an unexpected doorbell ring at midnight. At first, Alex brushed it off as a prank, but the sense of unease grew with each persistent ring. Summoning courage, he approached the door and peered through the peephole to find no one there. His spine tingled as whispers echoed through the hallway, accompanied by shadowy figures shifting on the street. The final doorbell revealed a note on his doorstep, warning, "You're next," leaving a chill running down his spine and his home feeling hauntingly alive.